Alright, here we go. This is the randomization for the mini number 2 for the $2,500 vacation voucher. Thanks everybody who got in on this one. We'll probably run a couple more of these to help try and fill that full list up on the main. So again, on this one, top spot gets 5 spots in the main, second spot gets 2, and then 1 spot for the person that's the third on the final draw. So we will be using random.org, so we will get started here. Bottom here. So dice roll, and we are 1240, 1238. Whoa, that's a little off. Here we go. Random.org. 2 dice roll. We've got a dice roll of 4. Good luck, everybody. So we will grab the list, starting with Derek at the top and Eric at the bottom. Bring that over. Derek at the top, Marcella, Chelsea. Derek, Marcella, Chelsea, Tracy. Down at the bottom, Chelsea, Derek, Eric. Chelsea, Derek, Eric. Alright, here we go. There's 1, 2, 3. Last roll. And here we go. Final round. We got Chelsea, Marcella, and Kasia. Congratulations, you 3. Just comment on the main post for the trip, what spots you would like, or if you just like randoms, whatever you want. So just let me know. Scroll down here, click on that. Control copy. Done. Congrats to the winners. And the video will follow. Alright, thanks everybody. And keep on playing. We've got Defiant Details, luxury detailing on, as well as some sports jersey and memorabilia still on the go. So, and we will be doing the tattoo draw here shortly. So thanks again everybody for your support, and talk to you soon.